Growing my sugar baby watermelons in my 9B zone requires a bit of care. And one of those actions that we should do is to support, to help to hold the watermelons from the plant, because they start growing and they get bigger, as well, of course, as the weight of them. There are different ways to do it. I will use my bird net, which is a large bird net protector for other plants, that I will cut just a small portion of it to use as a net holder for my watermelons. Watermelons are starting to get bigger now. You can see here. Look how beautiful they are. See? So I improved something. I will use this bird net. I purchased this bird net. It's a 4 by 10 meters to protect strawberries from the birds. But I noticed that at least the birds that live here around, they don't harm my strawberries, at least so far. So I will use part of it, just a bit of it, to try to support the weight of each melon as it grows. So I will cut just a bit, because this is very large. And now try to see the best way to do it. This is big. I'll cut a bit more. This will give 3 different nets. You can buy specific nets for that job, but as I had this here and I like to use what I have at home, I will use it. This will be enough for a big watermelon. This is sugar baby ones. So I'll do it the keep it simple way. Right here. And then below the melon, the watermelon. All right. This one is fine. I can manage the distance here as well. I think this will work very well. Now the other one. So I'll cut this again. A second net, and I still have a third one from just a few centimeters of net. Bird net. Well, here I can do the same thing. I have a lock there, so I will use it. It's metal. Here again. This side, near the trellis, DIY trellis that I made. And now here. Not, and another one here. And now, from here, just to lift it a little bit, to release the weight of it. This one looks smaller, but I can replace it in the future when needed. It's just for now to hold better, to help all the structure to hold this and the plant as well. more here. And these ones I will try to tie the net to a bell that I have here over the door. See, 1, 2, and we have the net right to this doorbell. This is all about managing space and using what you have to figure it out. And in this case, I don't want to spread my watermelons and grow them in the ground, so I can save space. I use the poles and the trellis for them. That way I save loads of space and I can still manage how they grow and even reach faster and better to them.